Hamster Kombat is not just an exciting game, it also offers players the opportunity to earn real money. If you've been playing and have accumulated winnings, you're probably wondering how to withdraw your money. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process, step by step, so you can easily cash out your earnings. Step 1. Verify your account before you can withdraw any money. It's essential to ensure that your account is fully verified. This usually involves providing some personal details and possibly submitting identification documents. Verification helps protect your account and ensures that your withdrawals are processed smoothly. Step 2. Access the withdrawal section. Once your account is verified, log into Hamster Kombat and navigate to the withdrawal section. This is typically found in the account or wallet area of the game interface. Look for a button or tab labeled Withdraw or Cash Out. Step 3. Choose your withdrawal method. Hamster Kombat offers several withdrawal methods, including bank transfers, e-wallets, and sometimes cryptocurrency. Select the method that works best for you. It's important to note that each method might have different processing times and fees, so choose the one that suits your needs. Step 4. Enter the withdrawal amount. After selecting your preferred method, you'll need to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum or maximum withdrawal limits. Double-check the amount to ensure it's correct before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm your withdrawal. Review all the details of your withdrawal request, including the method, amount, and any associated fees. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. At this point, you might be asked to enter a security code or complete an additional verification step. Step 6. Wait for processing. Once you've confirmed your withdrawal, the request will be processed. Depending on the method you chose, this could take anywhere from a few hours to several days. Be patient and check your account periodically to see when the funds arrive. Step 7. Enjoy your earnings. After your withdrawal is processed and the money is in your account, it's time to enjoy your earnings. Whether you're planning to reinvest in the game or spend your winnings elsewhere, you've successfully cashed out from Hamster Kombat. Conclusion: withdrawing money from Hamster Kombat is a straightforward process, but it's crucial to follow each step carefully to avoid any issues. Make sure your account is verified, choose the right withdrawal method, and double-check all details before confirming. Happy gaming, and enjoy your rewards!